Hi guys, nandito tayo sa Victoria Park Residences, Las Piñas City, Barangay Almansa 1. Kung naghahanap kayo ng affordable townhouse for only 8,600,000 pesos na walking distance sa SM South Mall na merong maganda and secure community, this property might be the one. So dito sa likod ko, meron tayong townhouse unit. We have 2 units available na lang. So pakita ko sa inyo yung mga sample. So dito naman, meron kayong lote na 80 square meter and around 124 floor area. As seen sa video, meron kayong maluwag na car parking dito, nakasya yung mga large na sasakyan like SUV and vans. And then, you have your canopy dito para sa kotse nyo. And then, you have your covered porch dito. Sa lang. So guys, ito yung sample unit dito sa Victoria Park Residences. Imagine, sobrang ganda ng location nito kasi walking distance lang to sa SM South Mall. And you also have your own amenities. Maluwag yung mga parking and then may mga commercial space like laundry area and convenience store sa labas mismo ng gate. And then, walking distance lang to sa Alabang Zapote Road. Malapit sa schools, hospital, Alabang exit going to Manila, Makati, and BGC. So yan, ito yung sample, open space lang siya. Pwede dito yung living area nyo. And then, your kitchen. And then, your common toilet and bath. Nandito siya, kaya natin buksan. So, ganito siya ito-turn over. Tapos, meron kayo dito service area sa likod. So, open lang siya for proper ventilation. Tapos, ito, service area kitchen. Kung ayaw nyong madumihan yung main kitchen nyo. So, ito is your maid's room or stock room. Pwede. Okay? So, check naman natin yung taas. And then, naka-wood siya. Tapos, high ceiling to. So, ito, yung second floor ng property, merong 3 kwarto dito, tapos isang common na bathroom. So dito, ito yung master's bedroom nyo na may built-in cabinet ng kasama. Provision for box type aircon and then may malaking window dito. And then may mga grills na for extra security. So yan, check natin yung pangalawang bedroom. So, this one is your bedroom number 2 na common lang. Dito,